because I've seen the messy hair bun commercials and I decided I want to try it. Many of you have seen the ads for the Juva Bun messy hair piece. They're really cute, but you know what? They're $25. And what if the color's wrong? So I decided to look on Amazon and I bought two different kinds. I returned the one from the brand called Marika because the color was a little too yellow for my hair. And I kept the one from the company called Hebelin. For the one from Hebelin, I paid only $7.59 for it. It comes in a zippered pouch like this. Let's go closer to my hair color. It is fitted like a scrunchie. So there's a scrunchie thing inside. These are kind of delicate, so you don't want to be pulling on them. You can shake them out, however, to get them full. Now, here's the trick. In most of the really good commercials, the women have hair that I would call long. Their hair is past their shoulder by at least an inch or two. It's all pretty much all one length. Maybe they have a bang and they can pull it up into a ponytail either in the back or at the crown, you know, on top of the crown or at the corner. I can't do that. My hair is only this length. It barely touches my shoulder and it's layered. So the first thing I do is I do my hair similar to how I did my updo that I do on days that I don't wash my hair. So I'll link to how I did that video in the little eye in the upper right hand corner. If you tap the eye or click it if you're on a computer, you'll see that video. So what I did was I used my curling iron to do a few sections on top. I brushed it out, I back combed it. So right now it's just sitting there waiting for me. And I have a ponytail holder here. And I also need to secure this with hairpins. And I'll have a link in the description box below to the hairpiece, but also to hairpins. And I also use my handy dandy rat tail comb. This is really important. So what I'm going to do is, well, in a brush, pull my hair back and try to do it without my bathroom mirror. So this top part is actually layered. That's the part that I've back combed, and I've just pulled the rest up into a ponytail. So I've got a delicate ecosystem going on here, and I might have to use this ponytail holder and do it 4 times in my hair because my hair is also thin. So again, not really ideal for this, but it is going to be doable. And then what I'm going to do is take the messy hair bun piece and pull it over my very small ponytail, but it won't stay because my hair is too thin. And I'm going to take these hairpins and pin the hair piece at least 4 times to my own hair. So if you can picture, I'm making an X. It doesn't matter if this is going through the actual scrunchy part of the hairpiece or the fake hair itself. As long as it's sticking into my own hair. I have no idea what this looks like. You do, but I don't. And then, if I have some stray hairs at the bottom, I can take a regular bobby pin, stray hairs of my own, and put them in place. And now that I can look at my monitor and look at my hair here, I might do a few strands on the side. Now my hair, if I don't bobby pin a little bit to the side during the day, some of this will come out. So I've learned to put a pin in there, put a pin in here, and then I can take a look at the top here. Of course, you could look down. Maybe if I look down, oh, I can't wait to watch this in editing. So you can see it's not high up on my head because my hair just isn't long enough for that. But it is doable. It is cute. And then I could take, you know, a mirror like this, and I can go into the bathroom and turn around and fluff it to make it look better. So I think for $7.59. This is an awesome thing to try, and it's so much fun. I ended up telling a friend of mine about this particular brand because they have so many colors available, and she's getting married soon, and she wanted a hairpiece that would work for her. Her hair is short, and so she ordered two in a very dark brown. Her hair is almost black, but very dark brown. She said it's perfect, and her hairstylist is going to work with it and play with it and do something with it to get it even into her short hair. So the hairpins are a key. So check out the product in the description box below, and check out one of my other videos by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.